Dirty spaghetti, I mean, honestly, to me, it's like a thick gumbo roux with Cajun seasonings and your whole holy trinity, and just with protein and pasta. That's what it is to me. That's how what dirty rice tastes like to me. Last time I made it super spicy. I think I'm gonna leave out a little less spice, but the shit is hella easy. You're gonna see how fast I do it. It's really good. I would probably choose this over spaghetti. What you think?
I need both.
You need both?
Fuck yeah.
We're gonna try it with cheese too. Matter of fact, listen, we're gonna do the dirty spaghetti, then we're gonna do like a small dirty spaghetti bake with some cheddar and shit on top. So I'm gonna show you, like I said, super easy. First step. All right, my dirty ass stove. Now, I mean, honestly, this step is so easy. I really pray that you guys know how to make pasta. If you really don't know how to like rehydrate pasta, then I don't know. This channel might not be for you. We gotta put some of that salt from the sea in there. All you need is 1 box, 1 pound of pasta. I don't know, get a good brand too. Don't just use anything. Another thing, don't break the pasta. I do not like when I see people break the pasta. Why the fuck would you break the pasta? You know what? To think about it, I think Big Mama used to break the pasta. Did your grandmama used to break the pasta?
Oh yeah, it has.
Yeah. I hate that shit. Our grandparents used to break the pasta. Like, what are you doing? I'm trying to get a fork swirl going. Like, this shit chopped up. All right, we're gonna put this on the other stove. Now, the easy part. First, we're gonna brown our sausage. Please brown your sausage. Like, it just makes the dish pop more if the sausage is brown. I have made gumbo pot pies and shit without browning the sausage. It really makes a difference. Now, I sliced up about 5 or 6 links. What you say, babe? You love sausage? So I always make extra when I make any dish that requires the sausage. I also like to add a little olive oil because when you add like some type of neutral oil, it gives it an even sear around the sausage. When you raw dog it, that shit just be like black over here, but not cooked over here. It's crazy. See what I mean? This is how you brown sausage. Evenly seared. Put a little olive oil on your shit. Use your strainer spoon so you can leave some of that grease in there. Next, we're gonna sweat our veggies down. Green bell pepper. Usually I only use green bell pepper when it comes to dirty rice. I never do green or red, but for social media, we need those colors to pop, so I'm gonna add a little bit of red. But for dirty rice, just green. Red bell pepper and a gang of onions. Just gonna sweat these down for a couple of minutes.
don't mind if I do. I've already had this, so I know it's fine. So honestly, remember, I didn't even really get to eat mine. Remember, Peyton came in here and ate mine. Give me that. I don't know. You might have a point. This one might be better than regular spaghetti. I know you got some ground beef in the refrigerator. You know, you got some bell peppers and onions and shit. Whip it up. We can't even record no episodes. We just gonna be wiping each other's face the whole fucking episode. That's really good. Cause it's delicious. Ooh, if I had some fucking Kool-Aid right now, baby. But we're on a diet. You know I can't just do a little bit. I can't just drink a cup. What kind of cheese you put in there?
I put one layer, and then I put Velveeta, then I put another layer with this cheese.
With shredded?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, hell yeah.
I know you like American cheese. I love American cheese. Like, niggas that sell burgers with cheddar, yuck.
Is this, I should let it cool off.
Go ahead, baby.
I can already tell this is gonna be fire. Don't even gotta hit my mouth.
It is? Let me see, Kat.
Yeah, see, it don't even gotta touch your tongue. You already, as soon as it hits your mouth, you already know. It's almost like Rotel Velveeta spaghetti something. Like, just imagine Rotel dip or something with noodles. This shit is amazing. Y'all have to try this. If you put cheese on your spaghetti, you have to do it this way. Like it, we starting a new trend: dirty rice, mac attack, smash. I don't even know what to call it. That shit is delicious. I'm definitely, when he cuts, I'm gonna scoop me a bowl and go sit on the couch and tweedle my toes.
I'm leaving y'all the recipe is down in the description.
Y'all welcome. I told him,
please.
Y'all was talking shit because he don't be leaving the recipes.
Make this. I'm about to be on YouTube. You know, Instagram here and there, YouTube. I'll be here. So I got y'all. The recipe is down in the description right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.
Make this tonight. Like tonight. It's 6 o'clock. You still have time.
Nah.
What you whip this up fast?
I'm about to edit. It's gonna edit. What?
No, when they watch it, you post it tonight.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right. Enjoy.